Jocelyn here, and welcome to my channel, It's Mamamia Cooking. Today's recipe is chicken curry. For the chicken curry ingredients, I'm using 1.5 kilo of chicken I cut into small pieces and marinated with 200 grams of plain yogurt. And this is 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 whole garlic I chopped into small pieces, 1 big onion I sliced, 3 tablespoons of blended onion, 2 red fresh chilies I cut into half, 4 tablespoons of meat curry powder. This is the mixed spice. It's the cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and star. I'm using 3 stalks of curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of raw sugar, 200 grams of fresh coconut milk, 2 pieces of cut tomatoes, and 4 pieces of cut potatoes. Okay, so now we start cooking on the fire. Okay, add in the oil. Now I add in the garlic. I add in the mixed spice all together at one time. Now I'm going to add in the fresh curry leaves from my garden. And add in the blended onion. Now I can add in the curry powder. A bit of water. It smells nice. Okay, so now I'm going to add in the chicken. Because I want to fry a bit with the curry powder. The yogurt, don't throw it away. I'm going to add in later. Okay, now I can add in the water. The water I have to add in until the chicken level. Okay, for the chicken to cook. So that. Okay, and the balance sugar just now. Throw it away. Okay, and just pour like this. Alright. So now I'm going to add in salt. and sugar. Have to cover up for 25 minutes to half an hour. Okay, so now let's check the chicken. Okay, it's already cooked. So now I'm going to add in the potato. Want to add in the red fresh chili and the coconut milk. I add in the onion and the tomato. So just cover up again for about 5 minutes until the potato will cook. Okay, now let's check the potato. Good. Check the potato. Okay, it's already cooked. So now I'm going to taste it before I'm going to off the fire. Nice. So it's already cooked. So off the fire and let's prepare. Look good. I'm going to eat the chicken curry with rice. Delicious. Wonderful. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comments. See you soon. Bye.